Hi my peeps, what's up, Wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to my lifestyle. Alright, my style, my kind of way. Alright guys, now it's bedtime. I don't take my hair off yet guys, but anyhow, and I'm gonna do a skincare bedtime routine or nighttime routine for you. Alright guys, don't get me wrong, I do not do this every time, but ever so often. Alright, just so you know. All right, so can you see my face guys? Have some spots, yeah, no shine. I bought this facial brush, or what you want to call it, scrub, whatever you want to call it guys, on Amazon. All right, and it was like what, $19 something or 17 something. I will leave the price and I will leave the link of this. All right, there are two colors, pink, like the pink is in this color, pink. I use it already, so I can tell you it works. Okay, it comes with this part, so you can set it in like so. I didn't use the charger yet. I hope it works. It comes with the charger, this scrub part, the sponge piece, and there's another brush. The set, I also got these St. Ives Blackhead clearing, and this is it. It has green tea, and this one is green tea cleanser, clean and refresh skin. All right, so these two. First, I'm gonna go in with the scrub, and then this is so soft and subtle. I'm gonna use this after. So let's get into this skincare routine. I hope it won't be long. So all right guys, I damp my hand, and that should do it. I'm just squeezing a little bit, and I'm gonna put it all over. And then I just damp the brush a little bit, water flying off it, and here it goes. Just gonna scrub my face. You can use the scrub part if you want, but when I use this, I find it tend to pinch my skin a little bit. So if I use it, I have to be gentle, so I don't bother with this right now. This works fine. Guys, it works. Get you one. All the dead skin, it exfoliate. Oh my god. I do over my eyes, my nose, my lips, and I do my neck. Just bring it down to your neck guys. All right, I'm gonna rinse this off. I'm just gonna wipe it off here. All right guys, you like my washcloth? I got them from the Dollar Tree for $1.25 for the whole 5-pack. Like, not 5-pack, 5 come in the pack for $1.25. Let me come closer so you can see. My skin is coming on really good guys. I like my skin. It's getting healthy. All right, and we're gonna move on into this one. If you want, you can just use the scrub and leave it like that, but when I use this one guys, as you can see, I use it already a few times. It just leave a soft, nice feeling to my skin. All right, one little pimple coming up here, so I'm gonna squeeze a little bit, just like that, and I'm gonna rub it. Look at that guys, can you see that? Under my eye, so soft. You can go ahead and use the sponge, but as you can see, I haven't opened the sponge yet. This will work, and I'm just gonna go back, and this time I'm just gonna do it for a few seconds because I already give it a good scrub. scrub off all the dead skin. I leave a little bit of water in the cloth. I don't really squeeze it like dry. And I'm gonna repeat the process. Clean out my toes. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. I come closer. This is skin, alright guys? Clean my eye, clean out the matter them out of my eye. Nose alright. This cloth is new, so it's leaving a little bit of fuzz. Alright guys, so that's it. While my face is damp, can you see it guys? So soft. While it's damp like this, I'm going to show you what I'm going to use on my face now. Just 2 things for bedtime. I got it from Winners. It's cedar and stone ultra nourishing pure hemp and almond oil, guys. This is so good and it's for all skin type. I'm just going to put a little bit in my hand. That's what I'm going to use, all right? And I'm going to put it on my face. Put a little on my neck. Look at that, guys. Can you see that? My eyes, my lips. That's it. You can go to your bed with just a little bit of body oil or face oil or whatever moisturizer you want to put. But I'm gonna add some of this. I got it from Urban Planet. It's called Rose Facial Mist. It hydrates and tone your face or your skin. You can use it on your body, on your face. Ooh, it smells amazing, guys. And this is my skin for bedtime. Nothing more on it. That's my skin. Look at that, guys. So guys, go get you some of these products, all right? This one I will leave the link, and I can leave the link for these. They are really cheap. I got them, I think, I don't, some of them is on ads on Amazon. And this one, I don't know where to find it anymore. I got it at Winners and I love it. I'm cherishing it. Super good. And go get you one of this. All right. So guys, that's my nighttime skincare routine for you. That's it. All right, guys. So now I'm going to end the video. But when I'm going to my bed, I like to feel so nice. So I have a lot. I'm going to do a review on some of these. I have a lot, like quite a few. So this one is Vince Camuto, and oh my god, so good. And the next one I usually use sometimes is this Guess. I got it at Winners for $9.99, and this is for $9.99 from Winners. Vince Camuto, and this is the Guess Girl. All right, so let me see what. So I'm gonna use this one. And I like to put a little bit, almost me spraying on my mouth. Smell it, guys. Smell it. Can you smell it? Ooh, smells so good. All right, guys, I am all ready for bed now. Oh my God, look at my skin, guys. Lord, look at the glow. Look at the glow, guys. Oh my God, look at this, guys. Smells so good. Look at the glow on my skin. All right, guys, you have a good night. Bye, guys. See you soon. Have a good day. Put God first. Remember to pray and believe. All right, have faith. Good night.